Hari Om friends, smile. What a beautiful gesture. Smile is something which emanates in your heart, your mind, blossoms in your eyes, and manifests in your lips. I repeat, smile is that which emanates in your mind, your heart, what they say, poetic way, blossoms in your eyes. Anyone who's smiling, the pure smile, it blossoms in the eyes and manifests in your lips. That's a smile. The great Sufi saint Rumi said, anything which extends the both side of your mouth, trust that, he says. Any experience which elongates both end of your mouth, trust that, says Rumi. Both sides of a mouth, anything which elongates, trust that, says Rumi. So, the Mother Teresa made a simple statement: if you can't give anything, at least give a smile. Smile is a gesture of you having or experiencing a great life, a great moment. Smile. Therefore, it's essential. Smile is an expression of internal happiness. Let it not be I'm not taking a dig, you go to you are traveling, the air hostess welcomes you, smiles at you, or in a hotel they welcome you. Let it not be a smile which is provoked. It should be a smile which emanates from within. You could be sitting in a beach, or you could be watching a child play, there's a smile in you. You read a passage, there's a smile in you. You're listening to a podcast, you're watching a comedy show, there's a smile in you. You wake up in the morning, there's a smile in you. When you say thank you, there's a smile in you. So it is an aspect of your giving nature which manifests beautifully. You'll always find a little child which is giving something, there's a smile. When you want to give, there's a smile. When you want to aggrandize something, there's a frown. This is mine. There's a frown. So, smile. That's what I want to say. Let it not be a plastic smile. Let it not be a show to prove something. It should be internal. It's something emanates in your mind, blossoms in your eyes, and manifests in your lips. And trust that. Trust whatever makes these your mouth expand. Trust that. Let there be smile in our life. Let there be laughter in our life. In the beautiful poetry, right? Laugh and the world laughs with you. Be glad your friends are many. Laugh and the world laughs with you. Let there be laughter. Let us learn to laugh at ourselves. Let us not laugh at others. If you want to laugh at yourself. Your own mistake should be like, you look at your own mistake as if it's someone else's mistake, and you say, can't believe I did that. There's a smile, which means you're being objective and dealing with it well. That's what we should do. Smile. Let it be a beautiful part of us. Let's say, when you wake up, let that be a smile. Think about it. Let's practice it in our daily life. Namaskar.